Hello guys and welcome to this video. Today I will show you how to find Cibil promo code. So guys, go to Google and search for Cibil promo code, as you can see here, and click this first result. Guys, click this here, and after that guys, you can see here different promo codes and discount. So guys, just scroll down easily and you find this here. As you can see here, this good coupon code you can use. Choose the best coupon code guys for you, and if you want to choose this, just click show here. After that, wait to loading, and you can see up to 30% to your shop favorite at Cibil score without breaking your budget. So guys, click here and you will read this code. As you can see here, this is good promo code, as you can see here guys. So guys, I hope this video helpful for you. Then don't forget to subscribe, like, share this video for more content, and see you on another video soon. Keep watching guys.